The journey begins from coconut to copra. Coconut oil, a staple in many kitchens, begins its journey as a mature coconut. Farmers harvest these coconuts from towering coconut palms. The outer husk is removed, revealing the hard inner shell. This shell is cracked open to extract the white coconut meat. This meat is then dried, traditionally under the sun or using modern drying techniques. This dried coconut meat, called copra, is the key ingredient in coconut oil production. The process of transforming coconut to copra is crucial for oil extraction. Drying the coconut meat reduces moisture content, preventing spoilage. Copra is easier to transport and store than fresh coconut meat. This dried form also allows for efficient oil extraction, maximizing yield. The journey from coconut to copra is the first step in unlocking the versatility of coconut oil. Traditional techniques extracting oil the old way. For centuries, communities have extracted coconut oil using traditional methods. One such method is cold pressing. This labor-intensive process involves grinding the copra into a paste. The paste is then pressed, usually using a manual press to extract the oil. Cold-pressed coconut oil is prized for its pure flavor and aroma. Another traditional method is fermentation. This technique involves grating fresh coconut meat and mixing it with water. The mixture is left to ferment for several hours. During fermentation, the oil separates from the water and rises to the top. This oil is then skimmed off, resulting in a naturally extracted coconut oil. Traditional methods, while time-consuming, often yield a product with a unique character and flavor profile. Modern marvels. Industrial coconut oil production. In today's world, large-scale production of coconut oil relies on modern industrial methods. These methods prioritize efficiency and consistency. The process begins with copra, which is cleaned and further dried to reduce moisture. The dried copra is then crushed into smaller pieces. These pieces are heated or roasted to enhance the flavor and aroma of the oil. The roasted copra then undergoes expeller pressing. This mechanical process involves feeding the copra through a high-pressure chamber. The pressure forces the oil out of the copra, resulting in crude coconut oil. This oil then undergoes further refining processes, including filtration and bleaching, to remove impurities and create a clear, odorless product. Modern industrial methods allow for the production of large volumes of coconut oil, meeting the demands of a global market. Section 4. Ensuring quality from filtration to packaging. Quality control is paramount in coconut oil production. After extraction, the crude coconut oil undergoes several purification steps. Filtration removes any remaining solids or impurities. The oil may then be bleached to remove any color. Deodorization eliminates any strong odors, resulting in a neutral-smelling oil. Once purified, the coconut oil is ready for packaging. It is typically packaged in airtight containers to prevent oxidation and preserve freshness. The packaging may range from small consumer-sized bottles to large industrial drums. Proper packaging ensures that the coconut oil reaches consumers and manufacturers in optimal condition, maintaining its quality and shelf life. Section 5. Sustainability and global impact, the bigger picture. As the demand for coconut oil grows, so does the importance of sustainable production practices. Sustainable coconut farming focuses on minimizing environmental impact. This includes responsible water management, reducing waste, and promoting biodiversity. Fair trade practices ensure fair wages and safe working conditions for coconut farmers and workers. Major coconut oil producers include countries like Indonesia, the Philippines, and India. These countries play a significant role in the global coconut oil market. As consumers become more conscious of their choices, the demand for ethically sourced and sustainably produced coconut oil continues to rise. The journey from coconut to oil is not just about production, it's about responsible practices that benefit both people and the planet.